In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from PayPal to another PayPal account. If you need to transfer money to someone quickly using PayPal, the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open PayPal and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the option that says Send and Request. This is the section PayPal uses for sending money to other people as well as requesting payments, so go ahead and click that to move forward. After that, you'll be asked to enter the details of the PayPal account you want to send money to. Here you can type in the person's name, username, email address, or mobile number, depending on what information you have available. It's important to enter this carefully because you want to make sure the money goes to the correct person. If more than one result appears, take an extra second to verify you're selecting the right account before continuing. Once you've chosen the correct recipient, PayPal will show you the details for confirmation and give you a place to enter the amount you want to send. Double-check the recipient information here and then type in the exact amount you'd like to transfer. This is a good time to pause and review everything before moving on, especially if you're sending a larger payment. Making sure the amount and recipient are both correct can help you avoid mistakes. When everything looks right, click Next. PayPal will then take you to the final stage of the transfer, where the payment is prepared to be sent. At this point, you're basically done, and the money can be sent to the other PayPal account. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, sending money from one PayPal account to another is a very straightforward process. Just go to Send and Request, enter the recipient's information, confirm the details and amount, and click Next. If you found this helpful, be sure to follow along for more simple step-by-step tutorials.